no pay you are receding. A distant smoke out in the horizon. You are only coming through in waves. Your lips move, but I can't hear what you're saying. When I was a child, I had a fever. Felt it right before my eyes. Now I've got the feelings once again. I cannot explain, you would not understand. This is not how I am. And I have become completely numb.
Awesome, dude. Awesome. Listen, it's recording, right?
Yeah, it's recording.
Hey, bro, what's up? How are you doing?
I'm okay, man.
Dude, what's your name?
My name is Himal.
Zimal.
Himal like
Himal.
Himalaya Pradesh, 5 first letters.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Nepal.
Nepal. Okay, so right now, hi, I'm Salman and I host a podcast called Salman Needs a Job. I'm right now at Church Street in Bangalore and I was just passing by and I saw this good man, Himal, who is playing music over here. This is not a sight you see in the streets of Bangalore or India, I think, all that often. Whereas in the US and in the West especially, like it is a common place. It's lovely to see people even playing in the subways and things like that. So what's your inspiration towards doing this?
I grew up in a culture where I mostly interact with European peoples. Like I got one chance to visit London as well, and there is a one place called Camden Town where everything happens. Like it's like a Brigade Road of the London.
Okay.
So there I saw like people doing this and everything. And after this pandemic crisis, what happened was like I am a videographer.
Okay.
I used to take every project, but I don't have all the necessary equipments to make a huge project. So I was more into weddings, and the weddings like suddenly dropped like that.
Yeah.
So for and I thought like I love singing. Let's try on the street how the people gonna react. So I came over here, and I performed many places. It was all right, but after that I got some issues with police officers because people were gathering and things like that, and he said like you cannot perform on the street. And this is busking, and it comes between the legal and illegal. It's neither legal nor illegal.
Okay.
So finally I got this put over here, and now I'm busking.
So you're officially here now, kind of?
No, we don't have any agreement.
Okay.
It's just like all right, like that guy.
Yeah,
said,
cool.
yeah.
Ignore that.
Yeah.
Now, tell me, when did you start doing this?
It's been like a 4 weeks, but
Awesome, dude. You're doing it every day?
not every day. Mostly I come here like on the weekends.
Okay, and how's it going? How's your experience playing to people?
It's good, man. It's really good. I've been getting no negative feedbacks. People are loving it, and they're saying good work, and that keeps me motivating.
Awesome.
And it gives me the confidence to perform outside as well. This is also the experiment thing for me because I can comfortably play guitar on my room, inside my room.
Okay.
But to play outside is a challenging thing. So I thought all right, money is also involved there. Unless it's gonna be my self experiment as well. So
Money is involved. What do you mean?
money is involved here, right? So I can also gain some money.
So you're actually also thinking about it smartly, as in make some money along the way.
Yeah. Also I'm gonna be able to perform on the street. It's gonna boost my self confidence or something like that.
So tell me about your interest in music. When did it start? Have you been doing this before, or is this something you
No, I
learned
grew-
recently?
No, I grew up on the lifestyle of this, man. When I was a teenager, all of my friends were in either band, and we used to do heavy metal, and I used to scream a lot. So they liked my vocal. So I used to be in band. We used to play on pops and everything. And when I was after that, people get separated. They got their different kind of works and everything. And it happened, and everything is now, some guys over there, some guys over here, and now I'm alone here.
So you had some background in music and performance. Now you're
Yeah.
bringing it to the streets.
Yeah.
Awesome. No,
Maybe it's gonna just a bit to the side.
come over.
All right.
Yeah. And how has it been so far in terms of this experiment itself? What are you thinking? Where can you take it? Or like maybe you want to keep it as it is. Just what are your thoughts?
No, actually, to be honest, like for example, it will create some kind of a distortion of the culture. This is the like for example, you're walking on the street, everything is happening as it is, then there is no distortion, right? But someone like suddenly plays music on the street, it kind of creates the attention.
Yeah.
So it's like a cultural distortion. It's gonna happen. Other thing is like the long run is like more like probably maybe other musician will be like inspired, like they can come over here. But for me, like I think after that I'm gonna play inside if the people are because there are very less people inside. If I play inside, there is nothing.
Okay. So it's kind of a training ground for you for performance right now in the new world.
Yes.
Now about your job itself, being a creative like video editor and all that, were you involved in music professionally before, at that time?
Well, we used to play like a small gig, not that professional. Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm a professional.
Okay, no problem.
I'm a professional, like a musician. Actually, you can say me like I'm like a 70% performer and 30% artist.
Awesome, dude. Awesome. No, when we're watching you, we're seeing the artist in you. But when you're telling me that this is an experiment and you're actually looking to get some cash out of it, it's good. It's good. You're being very creative. You're coming out on the streets and doing something that people don't usually do. But we know that it is appreciated by generally everyone loves music and all that.
Yeah.
So at that time, when you were deciding it, what is it? Were you thinking about like I need to find a way to make money, or were you thinking about how do I express myself, use my time or something like that?
No, money was the first thing, to be honest.
Okay.
At that time, when I took this step, the money was the first thing, and then the other experiment will go on.
Awesome, dude. So what I'm seeing is that like you had this motivation to make money, and then you used your existing skill set to actually get out and do it. Now, how is the money aspects of it? How are you seeing? If you don't mind sharing sharing a little information for anyone else who might be considering it, what do you think that people?
Thanks, man. Cheers, buddy.
What message do you have for them? Like, should more people do this across town?
Yeah, I think they should do it. It's like because it's fun. It's expressing yourself. Like if you see around the people, like I see art as a I see art on like tattoo to everything. For example, we can see that logo and everything. That is all corporation. Yeah. When we walk in the street, we all see the corporation. So I love the graffitis and everything. And this is the part of one of these. Like people can come and see the real thing. Because if you see on the screen, it is like auto-tuned or whatever. So people are this generation people, like they haven't seen much thing real going on, And if you make it as a culture where people can enjoy on the street, it's like allowing handshaking or like allowing like you can hug a girl and
some form of a connection which is missing between people right now.
Yeah.
So this is providing.
It's gonna help on that one. I think if the culture grew up, it's not a bad thing.
Definitely not. Now finally, can you just tell the viewers like where can people find you and all that? On your Instagram, just tell them your Instagram.
Oh yeah, if you want to find me, you can find me on Instagram. It is Metafiend, METAFIEND. That's it. I don't put much content, but in future I will. And if you go to YouTube and search like Aimless Project, it's like AIM Less Project. Then you can find my YouTube channel. I put some I'm a videographer. I just make random videos like a B-rolls and things. You can check it over there. But in future the more stuff is coming out.
Okay. Thank you so much, dude. If you search for aimless, you might find me too because I'm pretty aimless in life. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.
All right. Thanks. So what's that? Is it like Zoom one?